The Huey P. Long Bridge stands as one of Louisiana's most iconic structures, known both for its engineering prowess and its historical significance. Named after the influential and controversial Louisiana Governor Huey Pierce Long, the bridge was completed in 1935 and became the first permanent crossing of the Mississippi River in the New Orleans area. This bridge serves as a critical connector for the region, allowing for both railway and vehicular traffic to traverse the river in a manner that is both efficient and safe. With its dual purpose as a road and rail bridge, the Huey P. Long Bridge represents a significant feat of civil engineering, embodying the ambitions of Louisiana during a time of economic hardship and urban growth. Construction on the Huey P. Long Bridge began as part of a broader initiative to enhance infrastructure and create jobs during the Great Depression. Huey P. Long, often known as the Kingfish, envisioned a modernized Louisiana with improved infrastructure, and the bridge was a cornerstone of this vision. By the time it was completed in December 1935, the bridge had made history as the longest steel trestle bridge in the world at the time, with an overall length of 22,996 feet, nearly 4.5 miles, from end to end. The scale and scope of this project were enormous, requiring massive amounts of steel and manpower, and its completion marked a new era of transportation for New Orleans and its surroundings. The Huey P. Long Bridge is notable not only for its historical context but also for its impressive engineering specifications. The bridge features a combination of through truss and cantilever designs, which provide the structural integrity needed to support both heavy rail and vehicular traffic. The central span, which stretches 790 feet, is designed to accommodate large ships passing underneath, highlighting the bridge's role in supporting commerce along the Mississippi River. With two railroad tracks in the center and roadways on either side, the Huey P. Long Bridge was one of the earliest examples of a combined rail and road bridge in the United States, a testament to the innovative design approaches of the time. One of the most challenging aspects of building the Huey P. Long Bridge was its foundation. The Mississippi River's swift current and the soft, muddy riverbed posed unique challenges for engineers. To address this, they employed caissons, large watertight structures, to excavate below the riverbed and lay a stable foundation. Each caisson was a massive steel chamber filled with concrete, enabling the structure to withstand the weight and pressures of the bridge above. This technique not only ensured the bridge's stability but also allowed it to support the heavy loads of freight trains, which still cross the bridge to this day. Over the decades, the bridge's role has evolved, adapting to the growing population and increased demand for transportation in the New Orleans area. The original roadway width, while adequate in the 1930s, became insufficient as traffic volumes grew. Recognizing this, the state initiated an ambitious widening project that spanned several years and was completed in 2013. This modernization effort involved expanding the bridge's roadways from 2 narrow lanes to 3 wider lanes on each side, significantly enhancing safety and capacity. The widening project was an engineering achievement in its own right, as it required meticulous planning and execution to avoid disrupting rail traffic and maintain structural integrity throughout the process. The cultural and economic significance of the Huey P. Long Bridge to the local community is profound. It is more than just a transportation route, it is a symbol of resilience, ambition, and the indomitable spirit of Louisiana. The bridge has been a vital link for the local economy, facilitating the movement of goods, commuters, and tourists between the east and west banks of the Mississippi River. Its presence has spurred economic growth in the Jefferson Parish area and beyond, attracting businesses and industries that rely on the efficient transportation of goods and materials. The bridge has also provided reliable access to healthcare, education, and employment opportunities for countless residents, underscoring its importance in the everyday lives of the community. Beyond its functional role, the Huey P. Long Bridge has become an iconic landmark in Louisiana, inspiring local pride and serving as a testament to the state's engineering heritage. It is often featured in photography, paintings, and literature, reflecting its status as a symbol of both strength and beauty. The bridge's towering trusses and intricate latticework create a striking silhouette against the skyline, making it a favorite subject for artists and photographers. Additionally, the bridge's historic and cultural significance has led to its inclusion in local tourism, with visitors from around the world marveling at its impressive structure and learning about its role in Louisiana's history. The future of the Huey P. Long Bridge involves ongoing efforts to maintain and preserve this architectural marvel. Regular inspections, maintenance, and upgrades are essential to ensure that the bridge continues to meet modern safety standards and remains functional for generations to come. The state of Louisiana, alongside various transportation and historical preservation organizations, is committed to preserving the bridge's legacy while adapting it to meet the evolving needs of the region. In conclusion, the Huey P. Long Bridge stands as a monument to Louisiana's history, engineering prowess, and the spirit of progress. From its ambitious construction during the Great Depression to its modern-day role as a critical transportation link, the bridge has continuously served the people of Louisiana, embodying the resilience and vision of those who built it. Its combination of historic significance, cultural impact, and practical functionality make it a unique and invaluable asset to the state. As we look toward the future, the Huey P. Long Bridge will undoubtedly remain an enduring symbol of Louisiana's past, present, and future, a structure that connects not only the banks of the Mississippi River but also the rich legacy of a state that has always looked toward progress. The Huey P. Long Bridge is not only one of Louisiana's essential transportation links, but it is also a foundational part of the region's industrial network. Serving as a vital connector for freight and logistics, the bridge supports both rail and road transport, which remains crucial for industries relying on the efficient movement of raw materials and finished goods. This function is particularly important in an area that hosts a range of industries, including petrochemical plants, refineries, and manufacturing centers situated along the river. As rail and trucking remain the dominant forms of land-based cargo transportation, the bridge's dual-track system has proven invaluable. It ensures that railways and highways operate seamlessly, carrying goods from Louisiana's ports to destinations across the U.S. and enabling an economic link between the port and inland states. Moreover, the bridge's presence has profoundly impacted the development patterns of communities on both sides of the Mississippi River. By providing a dependable route across the river, the Huey P. Long Bridge has helped stimulate residential and commercial development in Jefferson Parish and beyond. The areas west of the bridge have witnessed significant growth, largely attributed to the improved accessibility and connection to New Orleans. This ease of movement has made Jefferson Parish a desirable location for both families and businesses, transforming it into one of the state's most populous and economically vibrant areas. Local businesses benefit from proximity to a major transportation corridor, while residents enjoy the convenience of living within reach of New Orleans's many amenities and employment opportunities. The bridge's 2013 widening project marked a new chapter in its history, addressing the demands of modern traffic and reinforcing its importance to Louisiana's infrastructure. This extensive project, overseen by the Louisiana Department of Transportation and Development, was aimed at easing traffic congestion and improving safety. Originally, the bridge's narrow lanes and lack of shoulders made it challenging for drivers, particularly those in larger vehicles. Expanding from 2 to 3 lanes in each direction required skillful engineering, given that the bridge had to remain open to traffic throughout construction. The use of innovative construction methods allowed engineers to widen the road decks and add shoulders without compromising the bridge's structural integrity, effectively transforming the bridge to meet contemporary safety standards. This widening project also provided an opportunity for the Huey P. Long Bridge to further establish its place in modern engineering history. The expansion added roughly 72 feet in total width, nearly doubling the road surface area and allowing for more efficient traffic flow. The project is considered a model in bridge expansion, demonstrating how older infrastructure can be adapted and modernized without sacrificing historical value. For civil engineers, the Huey P. Long Bridge's upgrade offered valuable insights into managing and preserving aging infrastructure while adapting it to serve an evolving population. The lessons learned from this project are now applied in other bridge expansions and upgrades across the United States, underscoring the bridge's influence on broader engineering practices. Culturally, the Huey P. Long Bridge has become an enduring symbol of Louisiana's resilience and progress. Its towering structure, visible from miles away, represents strength and ambition, reminding residents of the ambitious spirit of the bridge's namesake, Huey P. Long. Though controversial in his time, Long's legacy is inextricably linked to this bridge, which reflects his determination to modernize Louisiana and uplift its citizens. Over the years, the bridge has become an icon for the state, symbolizing the tenacity with which Louisiana has weathered both natural disasters and economic challenges. Beyond its functional and symbolic significance, the bridge also plays an important role in Louisiana's tourism industry. The Huey P. Long Bridge is a draw for visitors interested in both history and engineering, providing them with a glimpse into Louisiana's industrial and cultural evolution. Many tourists come to view and photograph the bridge, often as part of a larger journey exploring Louisiana's historic sites and natural beauty. The bridge is featured in many guides and tours that showcase New Orleans' surroundings, particularly emphasizing its unique design, historical relevance, and remarkable engineering features. In this way, the bridge has become part of Louisiana's cultural tapestry, celebrated by locals and visitors alike. The bridge's legacy is also felt through the many community stories and memories associated with it. For locals, the Huey P. Long Bridge is more than a structure, it's a backdrop for countless memories. Generations of families have traveled across the bridge on their way to New Orleans for family events, work, and celebrations. It stands as a silent witness to these personal histories, enriching its place within the community. This connection to local life further enhances its value, as it has become a shared symbol of both past and present for the people of Louisiana. Looking to the future, the Huey P. Long Bridge continues to face challenges that come with aging infrastructure and a changing climate. Maintaining the bridge's structural integrity in the face of increasing weather extremes, including hurricanes and high river levels, will require continued vigilance and adaptation. Engineers and policymakers are exploring methods to enhance the bridge's resilience to climate change and are investing in regular maintenance programs to ensure it remains safe for future generations. The state's commitment to preserving this iconic bridge speaks to its ongoing importance in Louisiana's landscape, both physically and symbolically. In closing, the Huey P. Long Bridge is far more than an ordinary crossing over the Mississippi River. Its combination of historical significance, engineering innovation, and cultural impact makes it a landmark of both local pride and national interest. The bridge's enduring legacy, spanning nearly a century, stands as a reminder of Louisiana's resilience, its commitment to progress, and its dedication to honoring the past while looking toward the future. As the bridge continues to adapt to the needs of modern Louisiana, it will remain a steadfast symbol of the state's unique identity and the unbreakable connection between its people and the Mississippi River.